Hello and welcome back to my channel, and it's that time of the year again. We will build another trailer. Um this is a really tiny one, the smallest I ever had. So it only has a 4-bolt wheels, and it's only 5x4 a platform, and I try to build a mini Vardo on there. And here we start with the insert. I ran out of my gray paint, so I start already with the red, because it will be red. And that piece is gonna go on the trailer. So here's the insert in. And I started painting the bottom side of basically the bed board, which comes in next. But I have to first put in the hardware so I can attach the insert. Here's a frame for my window, the big window. And I built it so I can put these shed windows in there. So one there, and they can open, but I also will put the whole window on the whole frame on a hinge, so I have an emergency exit, something like this. Okay, so did the framing for the bow top. That's how far we got. There's Miss Piggy. And we are finished. So in this configuration, it could sleep too. Or enough space for two to lounge. And I chose shower curtains as the inner liner, and it looks so gorgeous. It looks like a real sky, blue sky with some clouds. And a little shelf up here. So, and I made this rear window here so I can open it for better airflow as well as emergency exit. And these windows are shed windows. And here's my sink. This is actually a oil change pan. But the beauty is that you have not only a little basin, you also have a drain in the holding tank. So there you go. Works beautifully with this electric water pump, and you can recharge that. You've seen that before. Could you go in an emergency? Number one, yes, you could. Just flush afterwards, close the lid, and you're good to go if need be. For everything else, you have to use a shovel and outside.